Today we're going to continue reading our safety chapter in our health book, Responsibility, Your Own Safety at School. Many people take care of you at school, your teachers, the principal, the school nurse, and others. They help make sure you are safe. Another person also has the responsibility to keep you safe. That person is you. Here are some ways for taking responsibility for your own safety. Know what to do if there is an emergency. Don't run in hallways or stairways. Don't push, shove, or fight with other students. Follow playground rules and use playground equipment properly. Avoid bullies. Tell a trusted adult if someone threatens you. Know where school safety equipment is stored. Wear proper safety equipment when playing sports or working in a science lab. Safety around others. Strangers and bullies. A stranger is someone you don't know well. Some strangers aren't safe to be around. For this reason, you should follow safety rules if a stranger causes you to be afraid. Never take anything such as candy, money, or toys from a stranger. If a stranger asks you for help, such as to find a lost pet, tell him or her no. Then leave the area and find help. Always stay more than an arm's reach away from a stranger. If a stranger in a car stops and calls to you, ignore him or her. Keep walking, cross the street, or change direction. Never go anywhere with a stranger. If a stranger tries to come after you, run away and yell, "I don't know you." Another way to protect yourself from strangers is to always tell your family where you are going and whom you will be with. A bully is someone who hurts or frightens others. Read the following story from Jake's journal. One day after school, a boy in my class started following me and calling me names. Then he pushed me against a wall. I got away. My friends saw what happened. We told our teacher. That night I didn't sleep well. The next day our class talked about bullies. We learned that we shouldn't listen to mean things a bully says. We also learned that we should just walk away from a bully. Name-calling or hitting are not ways to deal with bullies. Avoid violence. Violence is anything that someone does that harms another person. Violence includes fighting or saying you want to hurt another person. You can avoid violence by not fighting. If someone is teasing you or pushing you, walk away. Learn how to solve conflicts by talking and compromising. Make friends with people who do not do harmful things to others and are not in a gang. If you are afraid to go to school because someone is violent, tell your parents or your teacher. How to get help. If you need help, find a trusted adult. A trusted adult is a grown-up you know well or an adult in a responsible position. Parents or other family members, teachers, good neighbors, security people, and police officers are adults you can usually trust. If you are lost or being followed, dial 911 at a payphone. It's a free call. Also, you can go to a store and ask someone who works there for help.